Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to fix your Duolingo looking sick. So if you're an iPhone user, you can go to Google and just simply type in Duolingo app icon. Now go to Images and click on the first one. Here, just download this image and go back to your home screen. From here, I have an Android, so I can't continue, but I can tell you what you need to do. So from here, you just need to go to the settings, then go to apps, and then find the Duolingo app. Once you're there, all you need to do is just simply switch the Duolingo icon with the image that you downloaded, aka the original Duolingo icon. So that's the Apple iOS fix. But what if you have an Android phone? So if you have an Android, you can't really change the icon that way. But what you can do is go to your Duolingo app, then go to your streak, and just scroll down a bit. Here, if you have a streak on Duolingo, you have this fiery icon unlocked. So you can simply just press turn it on and restart the app. Now, after a few moments, your Duolingo app icon will change to this new one that you have selected. But if you don't have a streak on Duolingo, all you can do is just simply wait it out about a week or two and your Duolingo will be cured. So those are all the options that you have if you're an Apple or an Android user. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Also, if you want to further support the channel, don't forget to check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.